Hey everyone, how's it going? So I've been getting a lot of requests to draw this, so I'm finally going to do it. And I'm going to show you guys how to draw Pikachu. So I'm going to put him in a little bit different pose than some of the other drawing videos out there. So to draw Pikachu, we're going to start with his face. So right here, you want to draw a line that just kind of curves out. Then it's going to go in, out, and then it's just going to kind of go down like this. Then you want to leave a little bit of space, and I'm just going to make a little line that just kind of curves up and then down right here. Then in this space we're going to put the ear. So starting here, you want to draw a line that's going to curve up really far to the top. And then it's just going to curve back down to here. Then, starting right here, we're going to put the other ear. So right at this line, you're going to start, and you're just going to draw a line that just kind of curves up and then down, kind of like a really stretched out sad face. And then starting here, you're going to draw a line that's just going to curve back like this, and kind of like a really big happy face. Then, starting right here, you just want to draw a little line that just kind of curves down like this. This one had that little bump in here for the cheek, and this one's just going to be a nice curved line, kind of like you're forming a circle. Now, we're going to come back over to this part, and you want to start kind of like in the middle of this line, not on the end here, but in the middle. And I'm just going to start here, and you want to draw a line that's just going to curve down like this. That's going to be the start of his arm. Now at the end here, what you want to do is just make a couple little zigzag lines. I'm going to put about 4 of them in here. So just some little bumps or little V's. And then you just want to start here, and you just want to kind of curve it back up to right about there for one of his little arms. Now, starting right here, I'm going to do the same thing. So you're going to start here, just kind of curve down, go a little bit farther down. And then do the same thing. I'm just going to put about 4 little kind of V triangle zigzag lines. And then this one, I'm going to curve it out a little bit wider. So this arm's just going to be a little bit fatter than the other one. Then right between these, I'm just going to draw a little line to connect them. Now, starting up here by the head, we're going to make the rest of his body. So you want to start here, and we're just going to make a line that's just going to curve down to here. So you just want to start here and draw a line that's just going to curve out, and then it's just going to come right back to here. If you can kind of judge where this line is, try to line it up a little bit. Now right here, I'm going to put a small little curved line to show where his back leg is going to be. And then I want to draw his foot. So to draw his foot, you want to start here and just draw a line that goes up, and then it's just going to curve down, and it's going to come back up, but you're going to leave a little bit of space right there. And then at the top of this, you just want to put 2 long lines for his toes. Now he has another foot over here. So starting right here by this arm, I'm just going to make a little line that's just going to curve down. And then I'm going to draw a little line that just kind of goes up. And I'm going to make another kind of oval shape that's just going to curve down. And it's going to come right up to about there. And then just make a little curved line right here. Then starting here, I'm just going to put 2 more little long lines for his toes. Now we want to add his tail next. So to draw his tail, you want to start right back here by his leg and draw a little line that goes up and then down. Then you want to make a taller one like this. And then I'm going to make one that goes a lot taller. Then starting here, I'm going to curve this one down to about here. Then you want to make a nice line that goes across. And then I'm just going to bring this back up to about here. And then I'm just going to draw a line that goes down. It's going to go back up. Down again. Then up and then down right here. You can see it got a little bit skinnier as it comes back here. Now the last thing we need to do is add some of the details on his face. So starting right here, I'm just going to put a little curved line on the ear. And then I'm going to start here and draw a line that just curves up to about here. Right here on this little bump part of his face, that's where his cheek is, I'm going to make a big partial circle for one of his little red cheeks. And then right over here by this line, you want to draw a nice complete circle for his other cheek. Then right in between the cheeks, I'm just going to make a little line that's just going to go down and then up and then down and up again for his mouth. Then starting here, I'm going to make a long line that goes down and then it's going to curve back up for his mouth. And then just put a little curved line in here for his tongue. Now, right above this little point here, I'm just going to make a very tiny little triangle that I'm going to fill in. His nose is very tiny, and the triangle should be pointing down. And then I want to make his eyes. His eyes are going to be just a little bit smaller than the size of the cheeks, and they're just going to be a little bit above it. So, starting right here, I'm just going to make a nice circle shape right here. And then I'm going to put the next one right over here. Then on the top here, I'm just going to draw a little smaller circle. And then right in here, I'm going to draw another little circle like this for the shine in his eyes. Now the last thing we want to do is on his body back here, I'm going to draw a little triangle shape like this, and then one more right here for the stripes on his body. And there you go. There is your drawing of Pikachu. I'm going to fast forward and start coloring this. Thanks for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed.